gumawas ito ni imo hidden personality. Ngan nagkakos siya by underlying personality traits over a lifetime and are not impacted by environmental changes. So kunwara animo paligid is animo environment is kadamang pagbabago. Ito niya Latin trait theories is diri ito nagbabago ngan diri ito nawawara. Amo to ang Latin trait theory. Ang general theory of crime naman is crime here on the other hand states that all crime is caused by lack of self-control. So ang general theory of crime naman is nagkukuhan niya nga ang crime kuno is nagkukos siya tungod kay diri nakokontrolan usa nga tawo niya kalugaringon. This theory is not concerned with personality traits or with the environment. So ini nga general theory of crime is diri hiya nagkukuhan kung anong personalitan usa nga tawo. Yan diri ilatiya or an environmentan usa nga tawo. Nag-explain ni hiya nga yan kay kung ano usa nga tawo nagko-commit crime tungod kay wala hiya ra self-control. So what does Latin trait theory believe? The Latin trait theorists believe that some people have underlying personality characteristics that will cause them to commit crime. So ang Latin trait kuno is anos ang mga tao na kaniya nga ang mga tao daw is nagkukaniyan underlying personality or ang mga hidden personality characters that nga nagiging rason kaya ano sa nga tao nagko-commit crime. So this Latin trait will reveal themselves only when the opportunity for crime is appear. So ini nga Latin trait or an hidden personality no sa nga tao nagawas sila kung may dara opportunity nga magihimon crime or may dara opportunity para magbumuwat ito nga crime. So Latin trait effects on crime. According to the theory, the existence of Latin traits creates a higher propensity for crime in affective individuals. It is important to stress that Latin traits must work in tandem with the opportunity to commit crime. So, a Latin trait is madaya tandem. Nagawas for a simple word nala is nagawas ang Latin trait han usa nga tawo ang iya hidden personality kung may daya opportunity nga bumuwat ito nga crime. Kay kunwara diri magawas ito nga iya hidden personality. So because of their latent or an hidden personality, nature there must be an external prompt that caused them to surface. So as an example, consider a thief in a clothing store. If the store staff are on the high alert and the thief knows they are being watched, or if they see a camera on the spot where they are, they will not just scoop clothing into their arms and flee. In the situation, as described, the opportunity for crime is not reasonable present. So, kung an example is ano sa nga kawatan, nakatuya clothing store. Tapos an staff niton nga store is busy pero nanonotif niya or nabi-feel niya nga kawatan ito niya usa nga tawo. So ano sa nga kawatan is di babaro ya kay tungodan mga kamera ngan kunain niya. So diri niya mahimo iton nga mangawat tungod kay may waray opportunity ngan pwede ya makulong. If, however, the employees are distracted by helping other customers and the thief has found a security camera blind spot, the opportunity to steal will prompt them to follow through on the impulse. A person without Latin traits would not consider stealing in other situations. So, if ano sa ako nga employer and staff itong store is distracted niya by pagbulig ibang customer, so ang kawatan is makakabiling hiya opportunity para mangawat ngan di da present na lautan niya latent or unlatent threat theory kay nagkamay aday opportunity ngan nagimbuwat ni ito nga crime. A person without latent threats would not is considered stealing in other situations. So, kung ang tawong waray latent threat is diri niya i-consider ng mangawat itong di nga store tungod kay maarami nga pwede makulong. So, in other words, everyone has this latent trait ngan may da mga tawo nga nag-ukuanhan on usa nga crime kun may da opportunity nga an ira latent trait is present para mag-commit crime. So that's all. Thank you.